it's me Marita with another video. Now you're gonna hear my son in the background because I can't get this video out without him making some noise, but I need to get this out because it's been too long. I am so sorry that I've been missing in action, but I've been extremely busy as well as having some technical difficulties on my phone. For some reason I have not been able to upload to YouTube. I tried to upload my grandmother's 90th birthday celebration a few weeks ago and it never uploaded, and it would go to YouTube but it would never actually upload where you can watch the video. So I'm just doing some more videos and hoping that eventually I can upload them, but I just want to let you know that I miss you all and I'm not gone forever. I just am going through a transition time where I'm kind of really busy, as well as having some difficulties trying to get things uploaded to YouTube. So I hope you all stick around, don't leave me. If this is your first video, please like, subscribe, share with your family and friends. And as you see, I look like a wet puppy. I am waiting for my wash and go to dry. I went through so much to look for the Wetline Extreme gel. Oh my goodness, I did not realize that these little babies were so hard to find. And I didn't know what the difference is, but I think they're the same, just a different color. This one was like $2.90 something, and this was 97 cents. So I was like, yeah, I had to get that. But so I went on and did a wash and go, waiting for it to dry. Hopefully I can either get back on and show you what it looks like when it's dry, or you can follow me on Instagram and I can put a picture on Instagram of how it looks when it's dry. Either way, I just hope everyone is doing well. I hope you enjoyed the video and I miss y'all so much. Let's give hugs. All right, bye. Hey, as you can see, my hair is freshly washed. I just got out the shower and it was starting to dry up a little bit, but it's still pretty wet. And you can see I have a pretty large range of 4 type hair. It's 4A all the way to me some 4C, but maybe 4A and B. Here I'm just adding some leave-in conditioner just to give some extra moisture under the gel. As you can see, I'm quite excited to have this product, and I'm very excited to share this first experience with you all. I'm just adding a little more water from, the water that was evaporated from my hair, just to make sure that it's very wet when I add the product to it. As I was adding this product to my hair, it just seems like it was melting right into my hair. I really liked how it felt on my hair, and it just made my hair so soft and it just melted into curls. It was really strange. I have no idea what all is in here because I really didn't read the ingredients because it was really small. But oh my goodness, once I just raked it through, it just melted into my hair and made my hair so defined. I loved it. I did something I don't usually do, and that is manipulate the hair after I put the gel on it. I used a brush to brush the the gel through, I just felt like the brush would separate my hair and make it clump together a little better. So that was just the idea of doing that. And my Denman brush is getting really old, so I just tried to use this brush, and it did pretty good. One thing I can say is that the bottom back part, the nape of my hair, is so much curlier than the rest of my hair. So I wasn't really surprised that I got those results in the back, but I'm really waiting to see what it's going to look like as I go further up, because that's where more of my thicker, more coarse hair is. And so I'm ready to see the results that I get in the thicker part of my hair that is not quite as curly as that bottom nape part. So as I go up is where I really can find out if this stuff really works. Okay, so this section is my moment of truth. This is where my hair is probably the most coarse, the thickest part of my hair. So I'm just waiting to see what kind of results I get. If it's gonna melt my hair the way it did the other parts of my hair. It's just like, this is my problem area. No matter what I do, it always ends up looking either like fuzzy or whatever. And I am really being amazed by this gel. You can see it in my face. I'm just like, wow, because it actually melted my curls and melted my hair into curls. That thick part of my hair, so nice. I'm just showing a comparison of how my hair looks without the gel in the back and how it looks with the gel. So we're all done. Overall, I really like how defined my hair came out with the gel, although I don't like how thin my hair looks for some reason. You know, my hair is naturally thin, but this gel really shows the thinness of my hair because it defines it so well to the point that it looks like super thin. But hopefully when it dries, it'll kind of fluff up and thicken up a little bit. Maybe this is just because it's still wet. So I'm just waiting to see what it's going to look like when it's dry, and I'll decide if I really like it. But I love the definition that it gives my hair, the shine it gives my hair, and overall I'm pretty happy. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.